In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert comments into your documents, spreadsheets, or presentations. This simple process will enhance your collaboration and make it easier to communicate ideas or suggestions in any file. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open the document, spreadsheet, or presentation you're working on. This could be a project you're collaborating on with your team, or simply something you're working on individually but want to keep notes or feedback handy. Once your file is open, identify the specific item you'd like to comment on. Now, depending on the type of file you're using, selecting the item will be slightly different. For those working in Google Docs or Slides, you'll need to highlight the text, image, or any other content you wish to comment on. This might be a specific sentence that needs clarification, an image that requires a description, or maybe a section you want to review with a colleague. On the other hand, if you're working in Google Sheets, it's a bit simpler. All you need to do is click on the cell you want to comment on. This could be useful if you're looking to explain a data entry or pose a question about a figure in your spreadsheet. Once you've selected the item, it's time to insert the comment. There are two straightforward ways to do this. The first method is through the menu bar. Simply navigate to the menu and select Insert, followed by Comment. Alternatively, you can right-click on the selected text, image, or cell and choose Comment from the context menu that appears. This right-click feature is often quicker and comes in handy if you're someone who prefers using the mouse. If you're more of a keyboard enthusiast and enjoy shortcuts for efficiency, we have those covered too. In Google Docs, you can quickly bring up the comment box by pressing Ctrl+Alt+M if you're using Windows or +Option+M if you're on a Mac. These shortcuts are extremely useful and can save you a lot of time, especially if you're adding multiple comments throughout your document or spreadsheet. After selecting the comment option, a sidebar or pop-up will appear, prompting you to type in your comment. Here is where you'll articulate your thoughts, feedback, or questions. Be as clear and concise as possible to ensure that whoever reads it understands exactly what you mean. Adding comments in this way is not only efficient, but creates a space for collaboration and productivity, allowing teams to communicate directly within the document itself. This method makes it easy to track changes, suggestions, or questions about your project. With these steps, you'll be navigating and inserting comments like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.